So this is Melissa's stocking. She got a pretty red one. So this is mine. The one that I DIY'd. If you want to see that video, it'll be linked in the description box, or you can go check out my Vlogmas playlist. Oh my gosh, I love the pom-poms on mine. So cute. This is our Christmas tree. There's a little present under it right now. Let me show you guys these because they're just so dang cute. Alright. So Melissa has like things from the 12 days of Christmas on here. So she's got a swan. I think this is another swan. A partridge in a pear tree. She's got a little music. And we got a bunch of these little ornaments. Just all around the tree. I like this one. It's a big music note. Let's see if I can find some more. There's another bird. I don't think she went all the way back though, so that might be it. So here's Mr. Snowman. And I'll show you guys his hat. So this is just super cute. It says, "Let it snow." Then we have a little mat under it. And a little Christmas card that Melissa got. Okay, so when I was a kid, I don't remember actually having a Christmas stocking, but, honestly, I love the idea of putting little gifts in a stocking just for fun. I mean, stocking stuffers are really cute. Yeah. I mean, we had a lot of other really, really cool traditions, like, the pickle on the tree. If you guys don't know what that is, we stick a plastic, I believe it's plastic pickle on a tree, and, whoever finds it first will, get to open the first present. I believe the closest thing that we did to Christmas stockings was, putting our shoes up for Saint Nick. Yeah. Usually we would just get like 1 or 2 big presents. Usually they were really cool stuff too, so I'm not gonna complain about that, but, oh my gosh. Yeah, it was really fun.